Hello friends, now this is the class 54 English grammar tutorials for you, personalized teaching. Yes. So here we have got the second testing time on majority of, many of, some of, few of, little of, most of, much of, and one of, two of, three of, like that. Okay, so let's see, you have to choose one of the options and complete this sentence. That is today. Yesterday it was about verbs, that is singular or plural. Today it's about choosing the options. Simple? Very simple for you. Okay, let's begin. So first one is, it's called a test frame. Test frame. Okay, test frames. So you have 15 test frames. So let's see. Let's begin. The girls are practicing mimicry. I don't know, is or on. They have to use one of, several of. What do you use? If you use one of, that means the verb should be singular. It is plural, and therefore you have to write several of. Several of. Alright. That's clear. Fine. Second one. Them were helped, but few took advantage. You have got two options. Most of, few of. Few of you cannot, because few took advantage. Therefore, we have to say some, most of. Most of them were helped. Most of them were helped, but few took advantage. Right? Okay. Now third one, hurry up, spectators are leaving. Some of or many of. You can use both, but which is better? Hurry up. Some of the spectators are leaving. Most of the. That's why you have to hurry up. So most of. Most of here. Most of. If you write some of is, that also we can say grammatically correct. But here what happens is that the meaning, it is not logic then. There should be some logic also. Okay. So then fourth one, friends has left. You have got one of, many of. Many of friends has, you cannot say. Because then it will become plural. So you have to say one of the friends. One of the friends has left. They have sent many books, but are damaged. Some of, many of. They have sent many books. How can you say many of damaged comes? So you have to say some of them. Isn't it? Some of. Some of them. Them is missing, yes. They have sent many books, but some of them are damaged. Not many of them, but some of them. Okay? Sixth one. The land is barren. Half of, much of. Half of the land is barren. Many of. Many of are ruled out. Because it is uncountable. Land is uncountable. So you have to say half of. Half of the land. Half of the land is barren. The crockery has been returned. Little of, few of. Few of ruled out. Why? Because uncountable. Uncountable, that is a class noun. So you have to say a little of. Little of the crockery has been returned. Not all, but little. Little of. Little of the. 8. The traffic has been blocked. Many of, most of. Traffic, class noun. So cannot count. Therefore, most of. Most of the traffic has been blocked. Very good. The man was given duty. Each of, some of. Some of you cannot say because then it becomes plural. Here it is, has, where is it? Was given, singular. So each of the men was given duty. Very good. 10. What he narrated is pathetic. Most of, few of. Few of you cannot say because this is uncountable. So you have to say most of. Most of what he narrated. Most of what he narrated is pathetic. Uncountable. Then the money was wasted. Much of, some of. Cannot say some of because it is a class now. Money. So uncountable. You can count rupees, but not money. Money as such is not a countable noun. And therefore we say much of, not some of, much of the. Much of the money was wasted. Many people go abroad, but them are happy. Few of them or one of them. Many people go, you cannot say one of them is happy. Isn't it? You have to say few of them are happy. Few of them is nobody is happy. That's it. So many people go, but few of them are happy. He has, and also you can see them here. So this one of them also you can say, but here it is are, and therefore another reason for using few. Alright, 13. He has many friends. He is dishonest. One of or two of? One of, because he is. One of them. One of them is dishonest. Okay. And 14th. Them said he would help me. Two of them or one of them? Or one of them? Them said he. So is it two of them or one of them? One. Because it is he. So one of them. One of them. Not two of them. It's my pleasure to entertain some of you or none of you. Then how is it a pleasure? It cannot be a pleasure. It's my pleasure to entertain none of you. Check. That is a kind of sadism. So some of you. So this is how we have completed. Very nice. I think that all of you have understood what I was trying to explain. Not only that, when we were doing this one by one, I had been giving personalized explanation. So I think now it's clear. All of you have got A+, full A+. So bye. Have a nice time. Again we will meet with another topic. Same way. We'll take just to see micro level teaching. So English tutorial, grammar tutorials are micro level teaching plus personalized teaching. Have you got any doubt about these things? Then of course you can contact me, subscribe for more videos and updates. Bye. Have a nice time.